It ain't no use to sit and wonder why, babe. If you don't know by now, no, it ain't no use to sit and wonder why, babe. It don't matter anyhow when that rooster is a-crawling at the break of dawn. Look out your window and I might be gone, and you're the reason that I'm traveling on. So don't think twice, it's alright. Oh, it ain't no use in turning on your light, babe. Oh, that light I never know. It ain't no use in turning on your light, babe. I'm on the dark side of the road, but still I wish there was something you would do or say. Try and make me change my mind and stay, but we never did too much talking anyway. So don't think twice, it's alright. I'm walking down that lone, lonesome road, babe. Where I'm bound I cannot tell, but goodbye is a too good a word, babe. So I just say fairly well. I ain't the seeing you treated me unkind. You could have done better, but I don't mind. You're just kind of wasting some of my precious time. So don't think twice, it's alright. So don't think twice, it's alright.